This is the how to assembly the ZK-MT21. All this stuff comes in the package. It's a pre-built system, so you have to finish it. For finish it, you must mount all the plates, back plate, front plate, and all the knobs. So for the start, you can use the bottom plate. Take one screw, put in the back. See? Hold with your finger, flip it up, and take one of this small spacer. Screw it. Okay. Repeat the same procedure with the others. Hold the finger. Twist. Put, hold, and twist. Okay. Last one. Hold. And twist. Finish with the included screw, but I will use mine. Hold tight. Okay. Okay. Just enough first to make it hold in position. You see? Okay, okay, okay. After this, you can take the main board, the amplifier board, and just fit in the holes. You see? Here, here, and here. After this, take this bigger spacer and twist, holding with your finger. Push and twist. Okay. Don't over tight this screw. Just enough first. Okay. Repeat the procedure with the other three. Okay. Same with this. Okay. And with this one, the last one. Okay. I'll lock it in place. For the knobs, you can use a trick to make the alignment. Just take the knob, any position that they are, and twist it to the left side with your point of view in front. This is the main volume, and this is the sub frequency. Twist it to the left. When it holds, you can take the knob and align it with the others. Okay, a small pressure, not too much. Hold tight the bird. Okay, a little too much. Okay, see? So mine was pre-built. Repeat with all the others, make the alignment. So you have a 0 level and the max level. See? And for the finish, take the upper plate, the top plate. See the speaker wiring diagram here. Aligning each. When in place, you take the 4 screws that have left and twist. Okay, don't over tight or you have problem in the filtering. Same procedure here. Same in here. I will use it for the last one. Okay, finish at the mounting process. Take the care to don't over tight too much the screws. Don't push too much the knob buttons, just enough to the knob reach the bottom. You see, small gap. Push. Okay. Finished. Simple as this. For the speaker wiring, you need to see what type of speaker that you have. Full range you can use in the right and left side, and subwoofers or woofers you use in the S channel, né? For subwoofer or woofer. Any one of those two will work fine in this channel. 50 watts channel, 50 watts channel, 100 watts channel. This is the main power for 12 or 24 volts. And this one is the P2 connection for auxiliary input. You can also use the Bluetooth connection também without any problem. If you connect the Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth have priority between the P2 and Bluetooth. So Bluetooth connects immediately, the P2 connection stop to work. So keep this in mind. You can use both, but not both simultaneously. A good power supply, and this small guy is ready to rock. Okay? Any doubts? You can ask in the FAQ question. I'm proud if I can respond it. Take care. Thank you. Wait a minute. I forgot this guy. This guy is for the power. So if you have a power supply or a battery, remember that is a polarity. This is the plus or positive polarity, and this is the minus or negative polarity. You can feed with 12 volts or 24 volts. If you feed it with 12 volts, maybe you have experience with the half power of the amp, since it works great with 24 volts. And if you feed it with 24 volts, that is no problem, since the current is something higher or equal to 9 amps, okay? If you are 12 amps power supply, you need at least a 50 amps power supply. But I don't recommend the 12 volts power supply, okay? Just the 24 volts. Thank you. And you can put it here. See you later.